Welcome everyone. Today we are here to discuss important aspects of workplace safety and learn how to implement effective measures to make our workplace a safe environment for everyone. Workplace safety is essential, not only to ensure the safety of employees but to create a more efficient and productive work environment. First and foremost, let's discuss what is required of an employer. As an employer, it is your responsibility to provide your employees with a safe working environment, as well as ensuring the necessary training and equipment. You should conduct regular risk assessments of the workplace and ensure that your staff is properly trained on all safety procedures. Additionally, employers need to communicate safety measures clearly to their employees. It is important to provide detailed safety instructions and make sure employees are aware of any potential risks or dangers in the workplace. Employers should also post visible safety signs in order to help remind staff of safe work practices. In terms of employee responsibility, everyone must understand the importance of following all safety instructions and protocols. Everyone should use all safety equipment provided to them, and never attempt any dangerous activities. Furthermore, all staff should be encouraged to report any safety violations or concerns they may have. Finally, it is important to have regular safety meetings in order to reinforce safe practices, provide feedback and make sure everyone is on the same page when it comes to safety protocols. Thank you for attending, and let's keep our workplaces safe.